you to be grateful for your favor. Right here in this text, الثبات على الأمر والعزيمة على الرشد نعم من نعم الله فارزقني شكرها. Already those two statements of imploring Allah, granting me steadfastness in my matter, in my life, in my deen and so on, and azima, have that azima for rushd. And if I have those, what a bounty, what a favor I need to be thankful for. So I ask Allah, and give me the ability, the truth, the sincerity, the sidq in being grateful to you. وَشُكْرَ نِعْمَتِكَ. And every ni'mah that I enjoy, everything that I like, that is useful for me, that is good for me, that is beneficial to me in my pursuit of what? In my pursuit of what? Consistent with what we're saying. In my pursuit of my qurb from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In my irada, you can even say, in my pursuit of true happiness, in my pursuit of true freedom, as we have talked about and will continue to talk about more exact definitions of psychologically and spiritually of happiness and of freedom later. Grant me the ability to be grateful to you. Make me grateful. Make me grateful. See, make me grateful. This is dua. While I have to strive to be grateful, while I have to strive to be thabit and steadfast, while I have to strive to have resolve. But you are the ultimate source. You are the cause of all causes. Subhanaka ya Rabb. لا شيء بذاته سواك. أليس كذلك؟ لا شيء بذاته سواك. There is nothing subsistent on account by itself, existent on account by itself except you. لا شيء, nothing. Even feelings and emotions and thoughts and drives, none of that is independent from you and self-subsistent. Nothing. طبعا. My efforts included, my amal, my fi'l is makhluq. Is by you. You're the source of it. I will be unable to do anything without you having created the accessories and the means, all of that, to produce the amal that I commit. فدائما أرجو إليه سبحانه وتعالى وشكر نعمتك أسألك شكر نعمتك. Let me be one who, of my actions, internal and or external, is to be grateful to you.